what we are really happy is that the clients, Revelop Group, wanted something that is top-notch quality, and we're very happy that we delivered it. Today is the installation day for future charging solution in Calderwood Village Centre. We are collaborating with Revelop on installing the DC chargers for the car park area of the village centre. Future Charging Solutions got engaged to come up with a nice, suitable DC chargers for the car spaces. We went ahead with the premium European brand, Kempower C500, that provides 150 kilowatt dual chargers. Future Charging engaged for installation the chargers as well. I'm Shab, Operational Coordinator for Future Charging Solution. We feel very fortunate to be working with Revelop on this project. They've been the leader of the commercial and retail development. So to work with them on a large scale project like that, it's been a great opportunity. What truly has made the whole process easier is the team that we've been working with. What I enjoy the most when it comes to the teamwork with the people that we work with, how quickly they can turn around, especially when we have such a short notice, when we need to make sure that everything is done without any mistakes. So we are genuinely grateful for the team that we've been working with. We at Future Charging Solutions pride ourselves in providing end-to-end solutions, cost-effective installation, and premium product for businesses like developers, shopping centres, fleet managers, and service stations.